Hi, this is Patty from Statdash. If you're like me and you use statuses to show comments with a lot of text, you know how frustrating it can be to try to edit it. So when I click on a status here, you'll see that the modal comes up and shows me the text in a very small box, and it can be very difficult to try to edit here. So Statdash has an expanded view. So you see if I hover here, it says full screen edit. So all you have to do is click, and all of your text now is in a much larger box so that you can see it at once and can edit easily. Now, sometimes when you're trying to edit here, you'll notice that when I scroll down the page, if I'm trying to make an edit here, say to add or remove my bullet points, I have to scroll all the way back up, make my change, and then scroll back down to see if it did exactly what I wanted it to do. So there's also a feature here. You notice it says scroll. All you need to do is click scroll, and now you can still see all of your editing buttons, but you'll be scrolling down, and you can make your edits wherever you are. And I can highlight, I can edit, I can change the color, and then I can save and close. So that's it. That's called expanded view, and you always want to use it when you're using large amounts of text within a cell as a status showing comments.